Meron tayo ditong tablet. Ito ay Amazon Fire Tablet HD 8. Okay. Yun, oh. At ayan, Amazon. May Silk browser. Meron siyang Alexa. Alexa, who are you?
I'm Alexa, and I respond when you say my name. There are lots of things we can do together. Ask me to tell you a joke, read you a book, listen to music or play a game.
Pag nagsalita ka ng Alexa, Alexa, merong beep, beep. Alexa, are you beautiful?
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
Oh, di ba? Alexa, where is the Philippines?
The Philippines is a country in southeastern Asia with a population of 116 million. Its neighbors are China, Japan, Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Palau.
Oh, kilala niya ang Philippines. Pwede ka magtanong. Ini-install itong Alexa dito sa tablet. Alexa, go home. Oh, yun yung home niya. Alexa, sleep now.
I don't sleep exactly. Saying my name will get my attention.
Okay. Ayaw daw niya matulog. Ano pang itatanong mo? Alexa, where is my cat?
You have one item in your Amazon cart, including one Arduino Uno. When you're ready, visit Amazon to review your cart, make changes, and check out.
Sabi ko, cat. Alexa, where is my cat?
Sorry, I didn't find anything named cat.
Okay.
Consider purchasing a tile tracker and enabling the tile skill on your Alexa app.
Tanong natin, Alexa, ang bahol mo. Hindi niya naintindihan. Di ba? Pwede kang, ito hands on hands off, hands mode, no hands. Pwede kang magtanong, Alexa, what is the weather today? Alexa, what is the weather today?
Currently, in Castillo it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
Okay, nag-shutdown na siya kasi wala ng power. Yan si Alexa. Kahit naka-off yan, gumagana yan. Hindi ibig sabihin naka-dim, naka-sleep. Ano siya, nabubuhay.